Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with ninth class quadrilaterals. In that, this is exercise 8.1. Exercise 8.1. In this first and second problems I have done. Now third problem. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. So let me draw. A, B, C, D is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. And also AD is equal to BC. They have given AD is equal to BC. You have to show that angle A is equal to angle B, angle C is equal to angle D. So what is given to us? ABCD is a trapezium. They have given that ABCD is a trapezium, and in this AB is parallel to CD and AD is equal to BC. This is given to us. What is RTP? We need to prove that angle A is equal to angle B and angle C is equal to angle D. This you have to prove. Here, you do a construction, children. What is the construction? You have to locate a point E such that AD is equal to DE and BC is equal to CE. Locate a point E such that AD is equal to DE and BC is equal to CE. This is first point, and second one, join DE and CE. You have to join. So you need to join DE and CE. So what is happening, children? This is AD is equal to DE, BC is equal to CE. Now proof. Now you have got a triangle ABE. In triangle ABE, AE is equal to AD plus DE. That is equal to BC plus CE. Why? Because AD is equal to BC, AD is equal to BC, and BC is equal to CE. We have done now our construction. So BC plus CE. So what is BC plus CE? That is BE. So we can say AE is equal to BE. When AE is equal to BE, angle A is equal to angle B. See, in a triangle when two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. So this is the first proof that we have done. Next we need to prove angle C is equal to angle C is equal to angle D. We need to prove. So let us see this. We know that angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Why? These two lines are parallel. So interior angles on the same side of transversal. So angle A plus angle D is 180 degrees. Similarly, angle B plus angle C is also 180 degrees. This is the symbol for similarly, children. Similarly, you can say angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. That means what? Angle A plus angle D is equal to angle B plus angle C. Now in this you can cancel A and B because angle A is equal to angle B. Therefore, angle D is equal to angle C. That this implies angle C is equal to angle D. Hence, proved. So this is the way in which you have proved what is asked, children. So once again, let us see. They have given ABCD is a trapezium. Then they asked, they have given AB is parallel to CD and AD is equal to BC. You need to prove angle A is equal to angle B, angle C is equal to angle D. Now, what is the construction here? You have to locate a point E such that AD is equal to DE and BC is equal to CE. And you have to join ED and EC. Now, if you take this triangle EAB, AE is nothing but AD plus DE. That is nothing but BC plus CE because AD is equal to BC and BC is equal to CE, transitive property. So we can say these two sides are equal. When these two sides are equal, the opposite angles are equal. So angle A is equal to angle B, we have proved. And also angle A plus angle D is 180 degrees. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. Angle A plus angle D is 180 degrees. Angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. So when RHS are equal, here the LHS will be equal. Angle A plus angle D is angle B plus angle C. Angle A and angle B we can cancel because angle A is equal to angle B. So what is left behind? Angle D is equal to angle C. This is how you can prove this, children. Please note it down. Now the next problem is the four angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4. Find the angle measures. So we know that four angles, that means angle 1 is to angle 2 is to angle 3 is to angle 4 is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4 they have given. So let angle 1 is equal to x, angle 2 is 2x, angle 3 is 3x, angle 4 is 4x. And we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4, sum of the four angles is 360 degrees. So x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 360 degrees. That is how much in 5, 6, 10. 10x is equal to 360 degrees. So what is x? 360 degrees by 10, that is equal to 36 degrees. So since you have got x value as 36 degrees, therefore angle 1 is equal to x, that is 36 degrees. Now angle 2 is 2x, 2 into 36, that is 72 degrees. Angle 3 is 3x, 3 into 36, 3 6 are 18, 108 degrees. Angle 4 is 4x, 4 into 36, 4 6 are 24, 12, 144 degrees. 4 3 are 12 to 144 degrees. So these are the four angles measures for the uh, quadrilateral, children. What is given in the problem? The four angles are in the ratio of four angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4. Find the angles. What are the four angles measures? So let me consider angle 1 is to angle 2 is to angle 3 is to angle 4 is 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4. That means let angle 1 is equal to 1x, angle 2 is equal to 2x, angle 3 is equal to 3x, angle 4 is equal to 4x. We know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is 360 degrees. So x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x is 360. So this is 3, 3, 6, 4, 10x is equal to 360, x is 36 degrees. So angle 1 is 1x, only x 36 degrees. Angle 2 is 2x, 2 into 36, 72 degrees. Angle 3 is 3x, 3 into 36, 108 degrees. Angle 4 is 4x, 4 into 36, 144 degrees, children. Please note it down. Now fifth problem, children. ABCD is a rectangle. So let me draw. This is a rectangle. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. AC is the diagonal. So this is AC is the diagonal. Find the nature of ACD. So what is given? ABCD is a rectangle. AC is the diagonal. What is RTP? You need to find out nature of triangle ACD. So let us see what is the nature. Let me see about nature. In triangle ADC, angle D is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Why? Because ABCD is a rectangle. So if angle D is 90 degrees, we can consider triangle ADC is a right angled triangle. The reason is this only, children. Angle D is 90 degrees. So we can say that it is right angled triangle. So we cannot call about the other nature of the triangle, because right angle triangle is there, right angle isosceles triangle is there. We can say right angled isosceles triangle only when these two sides are equal. But this is a rectangle, means these two sides are not equal. So we can only say that it is a right angled triangle. Please note it down, children. With this, I am going to conclude my part today. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.